Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you spinach or palak paneer recipe, for which I have taken spinach, paneer, some green chilies. So what you need to do is, now take 1 glass of water in a pressure cooker and now add spinach to the water like this. Add all the spinach in the cooker like this. After this, add green chili and salt 1 spoon or as per your taste, and cover it. Just leave it for 10 minutes now, and after 10 minutes you will get a thick paste like this. Spinach has been boiled properly. Now take a pan or kadai and add some oil to it. I have added 3 tablespoons of oil to it pan. Let it heat for some minutes. On next side, take a grinder and cut the tomato into small pieces like this. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes. And just now grind it in a mixture. So tomato puree is now done. See. Now on the pan we will add paneer. I have cut the pieces of paneer in a slices and just add it to the oil. Now just flip it on both of the sides to get golden brown like this. Here I have taken ginger and garlic. On the oil you need to add ginger and garlic. In the same oil I have added this, in which paneer was crisped. So now ginger garlic has been turned into golden brown. Adding tomato puree to the ginger garlic paste. Mix it very properly. Adding red chili powder 1 spoon. Add spinach in the mixer grinder and let it grind to get a thick paste. Just add the paste to the tomato puree mixture in the pan and mix it. So I have added the mixture very properly. Now you can see I'm cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. Adding butter 1 tablespoon. It will give a nice flavor to the spinach vegetable. Adding the paneer slices which I have fried earlier. Just cover it again for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes you can see paneer has been cooked very properly and spinach is ready. So now the vegetable is ready to serve.